Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters at mga kachi! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ng ating one and only G, the green curly kitty patuti iguana, na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating episode ngayon. Dito po sa G and Daddy Health and Lifestyle Tips. Ngayon po ay may panibago tayong topic. Siyempre, tapos na po tayo sa ating dandelions kahapon. Ngayon po, ang ating topic ay isa sa mga favorite na fruits ng ating G. And of course, favorite din po ito ni Daddy Master Worm. Ito ay considered as a powerhouse of vitamins. Powerhouse of vitamins, mga masters. Prutas po ito. Ayun, but before tayo mag-start, hingin ko muna ang inyong thumbs-up. And of course, please don't forget sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe po dyan sa channel ni Master Worm. And don't forget also to like, share, and subscribe. Ayun po, talaga tayo ay kailangan natin magtulungan, di ba? At sa mga tao dyan sa baba, sa ating comment section, ayun, magtulungan din po kayo dyan, magbatian po kayo. At sa mga hindi nyo pa dikit, dikitan nyo rin po sila. Ayan, so hingin ko muna ng 12 minutes para sa ating discussion for today. So ang ating topic for today ay walang iba, kundi ang kiwi. Pinaka-favorite na fruit ni G natin yan, no? Kakainin ng bilog yan ng G natin. Nako. Okay, so we have 4 benefits or health benefits of kiwi. I hope matapos po natin ito sa isang discussion lang. Kiwis are a powerhouse of vitamins that can help keep your heart and digestive system healthy. Maganda po ito sa ating health and digestive system. Eating kiwis can also increase the amount of protective plant compounds you consume. So, mga plant compounds po sa mga kinakain natin, pag kumakain tayo ng kiwi, ay tinutulungan niya rin pong ma-activate at mag-increase po ang kanilang protective enzymes. Diba? So maganda talaga ang kiwi kasi tumutulong talaga ito. Ma-boost din po yung ating ibang mga kinakain natin. Kiwis are small fruits that pack a lot of flavor and plenty of vitamins. Maraming flavors ang kiwi kasi iba-iba din yung variety ng kiwi, mga masters. Okay? So hindi lang po ito packed with plenty of vitamins. Meron dito minerals and powerful plant compounds. They are sweet. Ito po mga master, they're sweet. Ang sweet po yung kiwi. Depende naman po sa, kasi merong green, mayroong yellow. Iba't ibang kulay sa loob niyan. Pero ito, I'm sure this is green. Okay? So because ang kiwi na to ay green yung sa loob niya. Okay? So they're sweet, easy to eat, and highly nutritious. Plus, these small fruits offer a new impressive health benefits. Sa article na ito na i-discuss natin, nagbibigay ako ng 4 na mga health benefits po, mga masters, and give you tips on how to incorporate them into your diet. Subukan natin tapusin dito sa isang topic lang, okay? So ano po yung kiwi? Kiwis are known as kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit po, mga masters, kiwi fruit. One word lang po yan. Are a type of fruit native to the mountains of hillsides of southwest China. Southwest China po, siya usually well known. They're now grown in many other areas of the world, including New Zealand, which is a top producer of these popular fruits. New Zealand po, very popular at very easy po sila mag-breed po, mag-cultivate po dito doon sa New Zealand. Okay, kiwis are also grown in many other areas of the world, including the US. Of course, dito sa US po, marami na pong plantations of kiwi. Kiwi was first brought to New Zealand in 1904. So, dinala po siya sa New Zealand noong 1904 by a school teacher named Isabel Fraser. Ayan po, bibigyan tayo ng konting history. Who brought kiwi seeds back home with her after traveling through China. So, may dinala po siya sa seeds na pumunta siya ng China, bumalik po siya sa New Zealand, at doon po, dinala niya po yung seeds ng kiwi. Okay, once known as Chinese gooseberry. Yung kiwi na to ay tinatawag na Chinese goose, yung goose na, goose or geese, yung gooseberry po ang tawag dito. Kiwis are given the name kiwi by New Zealand fruit exporters after the flightless kiwi birds. So, di ba? Sa kiwi pala na ibon ito na nakuha. Okay? Which are endemic to New Zealand. So, marami po ang kiwi na ibon doon po sa New Zealand. Okay? So, botanically, kiwis are classified as berries. Ito po mga masters, berries na naman ito. They're classified as berries. Okay? So, ang pangalan nito is Actinidia deliciosa. Oh, nako. Actinidia deliciosa. And Actinidia chinensis. Yan po yung kanyang scientific name. Again, Actinidia deliciosa and Actinidia chinensis are the two most commonly consumed kiwi species. Yan po yung kanilang, dalawa pala, hindi pala scientific name lang. Pero ang dalawa na yan po yung mga common na palagi pong kinukonsume ng mga kiwis. Okay? Hayward kiwis are oval in shape and about the size of the large hen. Feeling ko ganito yung Hayward ito, parang ganito din siya. The green kiwi named after a man named Hayward Wright. Hayward Wright ang pangalan ng tao who popularized kiwis in New Zealand in 1920s. Okay? So, din po. So, kiwis are also come in yellow, fleshed, or golden varieties. So, tawag dyan is, yun ang Actinidia chinensis. In yellow in chinensis po yan, mga masters. The difference between the green fleshed and yellow fleshed kiwis is the green kiwi contains a green pigment called chlorophyll, which the yellow kiwis do not. So may chlorophyll pala po, mga masters, yung green, pero yung yellow na kiwi ay walang chlorophyll. Yun. It should be noted that kiwis are not the same species as kiwi berry. Okay? It should be noted that kiwis are not the same species as kiwi berry. Paano ba ito? Even though they belong to the same plant family, Actinidia kiwi berries are small and have audible grape-like skin. So, iba pala yung kiwi berry. Iba. Okay? Kiwis are larger and have thicker, fuzzy skin. Ito po yung kanyang skin. Medyo thick po yung skin niya. Okay, so the skin of the most varieties of kiwi should be peeled off before you eat them. However, some people like to eat the skin of golden yellow or yellow kiwi varieties because the skin is softer than the skin of green kiwis. So yung yellow na kiwi ay medyo thin po yung kanyang skin. Okay? In summary, kiwis are small fruits that come in green and yellow fleshed varieties. New Zealand is the top kiwi producer, and these fruits grow in many other countries, areas of the world as well. Yun, mga masters, di ba? So, kiwis nutritional facts. They are impressive nutrient profile. Here is the nutritional breakdown of a 3.5 ounces or a 100-gram kiwi. Okay? So, per serving po niya ito. Sa green kiwi na po ito, ha? So, sa green kiwi, yung 100 grams po na green kiwi ay meron po siyang 64 calories. Meron po siyang 14 grams of carbs. Meron po siyang 3 grams of fiber. 0.44 grams of fats. 1 gram of protein. And there's a vitamin C, which is 83% of the daily value, 83%. Taas dito. And vitamin E of 34% of the daily value. Vitamin K, Vitamin E is 9% of the daily value. And vitamin K, 34% of the daily value. There's also folate, mga masters. Folate is 7% of the daily value. Copper, 15% of the daily value. Potassium is 4% of the daily value. And magnesium, which is 4% of the daily value. Ayun, mataas po siya. Kiwis are exceptionally high in vitamin C. Ayun po, sa mga kailangan mag-take ng vitamin C's, I do suggest, kumain kayo ng kiwi. Diba? Gin natin, kiwi talaga. Maganda talaga ng gin natin. So, the vitamin C is with 3.5 ounces of 100 grams. Mayroon po siyang 80% of the average daily vitamin C needed. Okay? Vitamin C functions as a house a powerful antioxidant. Okay? In the body. Kailangan po yan. Nag-discuss na natin yung vitamin C noon nung tayo nag-discuss about different kinds of vitamins and minerals. Diba? Protecting cells against oxidative damage. It also involved in immune function. And your body needs to make collagen and neurotransmitters. Additionally, kiwis contain potassium, copper, vitamin K, folate, and vitamin E. A fat-soluble nutrient that has antioxidants effects and plays an important role in the immune system. Kiwis are low in calories, mga masters, protein and fats. Mababa lang po yan. And they're good source of fiber. So in summary, kiwis are highly nutritious and contain variety of vitamins and minerals plus fiber. They're particularly high in vitamin C and nutrients that are essential for human health. Yan po mga masters. Hanggang dito lang po tayo. Hindi po na pwedeng tapusin sa isang upuan. Ayan. So hindi pa tayo nakabigay ng benefits, ng 4 na benefits. Introduction pa lang pala yung ating kaya. So ano po mamaya po alas 8 ng gabi, Philippine time. Please don't forget, Master Worm. Ako po yung host sa Team Puyaters. Meron tayong premiere promotion sa Team Puyaters. 8 o'clock ng gabi, Philippine time. Every Friday po ako ang host. And then every Sunday, 11 o'clock AM naman po ako. Ayun, so kita-kits tayo doon. At syempre, nandito po yung ating G. Magpapasalamat tayo sa inyong lahat. At kita-kits ulit tayo bukas sa ating another episode, continuation. Again, this is your one and only Master Worm. And of course, ang G natin na super likot ngayon. Thank you so much. And God is great. Yahoo!